Hello, welcome to FountainFX on Friday the 13th of November. Just because it's Friday the 13th doesn't mean it's a bad day. And I'm just really coming back to you just to share about the US dollar yen and update you on the earn as you learn opportunity. With the US dollar yen, the key thing I'm trying to get across to everyone is to learn how to trade the market yourselves and not rely on other people, even myself, to tell you what's happening. The reason being is that I get a lot of blogs and other information that I get from companies that I worked with from day one. And one of these gurus has turned around and said, now's the time to get out of the US dollar. The US dollar's bad, bad, bad. Why they're not investing in the US dollar, etc. In the period of time that he's actually said do that, I've made $7,000 on trading the US dollar against the yen. So would that have been a good decision for me to have said, yep, I should be selling the US dollar and buying the yen? Well, obviously that would have been a very bad decision, and this guy is just saying his own version of things based on his own speculation, but I'm actually looking at what the market is actually doing rather than what somebody is telling me I should be doing. Okay, the key thing is with trading is figure it out for yourself, and hopefully we will give you the tools and the techniques and the strategies, etc., and build you up over a period of time that you'll be able to do it for yourself. So looking here, US dollar yen, when this guy started to say now's the time to be selling the US dollar, it was at this point right in the middle of the screen, and since then, so we're looking at the 113.30 level. Price is now currently up at the 115.70, so it's gone 140 points upwards. Nice trade on that of $1,000 would have given you $1,400 return, so you wouldn't really be complaining. Now the other thing that happened is you can see here there was a very nice pullback running a counter trend line, the break of the counter trend line, and also the push above this previous area of support, pushing back up, gave another triggered entry here at the 114.26 to take price up. You could have used the previous high here as your target. That would have been a nice 60 pip trade because price came in at the top here. If I put a line across, 115.30. In fact, that's over a 100-point trade, so I'm talking rubbish there. So even taking that trade, that would have been a nice 100-point gain. But the reality is that this is what price has done. It's been very, very nice over the last few days. This is looking at the 4-hour chart, so each of these candlesticks is 4 hours, so you can use this to plot your highs and lows, and price is now pushing back up to the high. Now the one thing to note on this is that why I would say still go long on this is because if we quickly flick over to the monthly chart and we look here where the candlestick is, ignore the lines that are there, the actual previous time in which price hits a level where it fell from was up here at the 122.60, 122.80 level. And price is currently at the 115, so we have another potential 700 points move all the way up to here. And I've had to go all the way back to the monthly chart in order to get this level, because this level was last reached back in June of 2007. So we are going back 7 years on this chart to be able to get this level. So the point is that price, you can see it, price has broken through this level here, and it's ignored this level, it's just pushed straight through. It's ignored this level, it's just pushed straight through, and it's now at this current level here, but it's still pushing up. So the potential is you could look for a target all the way up here at the 122. So I think this is a very good pair to be traded and going long, and you basically look for the pullbacks for your long entries and take it as it goes up. And that's probably the easiest kind of trading you're ever going to get, and you're going to make a nice profit from this. For those of you that are still not sure about how to trade and whether or not you want to be risking your money in the trading market, I shared a webinar last night on Earn as You Learn, and basically showed ways in which you can open a live account and then match it to one of our selected traders. And this one particular trader does 15 points growth per month. So if you could tolerate a 15% growth on your money every month, then you need to be getting in touch with us and finding about the Earn as You Learn opportunity. So ping us a mail, and we will see if we can what information we can share with you to help you with your trading. And thank you very much from FountainFX. Have a great weekend, and we will catch you next week. Bye bye.